All right, so now we're using this MK908 unit trying to get this key to recognize. So as you can see here, I'm gonna tap this button here. We're gonna go into Honda, accept. Great. All right, so we're gonna run this. We're gonna do an automatic selection. Pop that VIN in there. US. Yes. As you can see here, we are getting a voltage reading right there, so it is communicating. Okay, does this vehicle have a keyless access remote? Yes. Press and hold the engine button. And immediately fail. Please release the engine stop button. Ignition switch was not turned on.